Am I the only one that didn't know my daily coffee habit could have such a big impact on the planet? If you want to drink smarter, not harder, stick around. Let's make eco swaps easy. First up, ditch the single-use cups. Bring your own reusable mug to cafes, and many places will even give you a discount. Next, try switching out plastic straws for metal or bamboo. They're sturdy, stylish, and you won't be tossing them after one use. Love cold drinks? Skip the bottled water and grab a refillable water bottle. Seriously, it saves money and mountains of plastic. For at home, steep loose-leaf tea instead of buying bagged tea. Those little bags often have hidden plastics. And if you're into smoothies or juices, try making them at home and pouring them into glass jars. You skip all the to-go packaging and control what goes in. The coolest part? These swaps are so easy, you'll barely notice the difference, except for the good you're doing. So next time you grab a drink, think, how can I swap for something greener? Cheers to making tiny changes that add up.